The world is facing a crisis of information. This is Foodyzer. Foodyzer addresses a critical civic challenge: food information poverty. For over 422 million diabetics and 0.5 billion people managing severe allergies, choosing food is a daily health risk. Generic apps ignore these personal medical needs, leaving consumers stressed, confused, and prone to risk. We provide the solution. Our solution is a next-generation AI co-pilot that provides real-time, hyper-personalized guidance. Foodyzer first creates a deep health profile based on your allergies, conditions, and goals. Unlike generic apps like Yuka, we don't give a simple A to F grade. Foodyzer delivers a life-saving personalized suitability score by analyzing ingredients in light of your unique medical context. Watch how we set the profile for a user with diabetes and a nut allergy. This profile now guides every decision. The barcode scanner instantly analyzes a high-sugar item. The AI provides a low suitability score and an explicit warning. This product's high-sugar content conflicts directly with your diabetes management goal. This is immediate safety. Foodyzer promotes transparency. The ingredient scanner and menu scanner demystify complex E-numbers and hidden allergens in any setting. The Nutri-Chat is a context-aware conversational agent capable of managing complex conditional queries. Ask the AI, "I am thinking of having spaghetti bolognese. What minimal changes can I make to reduce the meal's glycemic load?" and receive an immediate, safe, and personalized suggestion. Finally, the AI Diet Planner helps individuals struggling with chronic conditions find their optimal nutritional regimen tailored to their medical needs. Foodyzer is built on a highly complex multi-agent architecture, essential for personalized safety. All analysis is channeled through 5 distinct, context-aware AI agents powered by the Gemini 2.5 Flash engine. The architectural complexity of solving a civic challenge requires precise design. Here we transition from the core structural plan to the AI service module, which orchestrates the direct integration with the powerful Gemini 2.5 Flash API for secure, personalized data flow. Our impact is massive and scalable. Built on React Native/Expo for rapid single code-based deployment, we target the $1.5 trillion digital health market. Our long-term goal is B2B partnerships to integrate Foodyzer into healthcare systems. Foodyzer is a functional, market-ready solution to a critical civic challenge. We are ready for deployment and seeking partnerships to scale our social impact. Are you ready to hack for health equity?